Good morning, everyone. Good morning, grade 5 learners. Welcome to your mathematics class. I am teacher Carmela, your mathematics 5 teacher. And I will be with you as we make the most out of our discussion today. In today's lesson, we will be discussing about finding the percentage in a given problem. First, let us recall the following terms. Percentage means it is part of a whole. Base means it is the whole or the total. While the number with percent sign is the rate. You have also learned to identify the percentage, base, and rate in a given problem. I prepared a 3-item activity for a short review. For the instruction, identify the base, rate, and percentage in the given. Number 1, 10% of 1,000 is 100. Number 2, 70% of 80 is 56. Number 3, 17 is 85% of 20. Let us answer number 1. Let me read to you the given. 10% of 1,000 is 100. What is the base in the given? If your answer is 1,000, you are correct. How about the rate? 10% is the correct answer. And lastly, the percentage is? The percentage is 100. Very good. How about in number 2? Let's answer it. The given in item number 2 is 70% of 80 is 56. To identify all the given, what is the base in the given? 80 is the base in the given. How about the rate? 70% is the rate. And the percentage in item number 2 is? If you answered 56, you got it right. And lastly, for item number 3, 17 is 85% of 20. Let us identify which is the base in the given. 20 is the base. Good job. How about the rate? The rate in the given is 85%. You are correct. And if you answered 17 as percentage in the given, you are right. Very good. With the outstanding performance you did, I guess we are now ready to learn our lesson. Our lesson is find the percentage in the given problem. Kids, I want you to open your learner's material on page 196. Let us read the word problem. Summer is approaching and Jane is so excited to do her shopping. In her list is a pair of rubber shoes that she will use for their summer league. What made more excited was when she saw that her dream pair of rubber shoes is on sale. From 4,295 pesos, it is now sold with 20% discount. How much will Jane save if she will buy the shoes? Kids, what is asked in the problem? If your answer is, how much will Jane save if she will buy the shoes? You are correct. How about the given facts? If your answers are 4,295 pesos as the original price of the shoes and to 20% discount, you are perfect. How are we going to solve the problem? Let's analyze that the price of the shoes is 20% discount less than the original price. This means that the 20% of original price is the savings that Jane will get. Therefore, we need to get the 20% of 4,295 pesos. 20% is 20 out of 100 and it is n out of 4,295 pesos. Let us write the given in proportion, then find the value of n or the missing term. N out of 4,295 equals 20 out of 100. N is to 4,295 equals 20 is to 100. By applying the cross product rule, 100 times n equals 4,295 times 20. 100n equals 85,900. Divide both sides of the equation by 100. 100n over 100 equals 85,900 over 100. N is equal to 859. Therefore, 859 pesos will be deducted from the original price of the amount of shoes, and it will also be the amount that Jane will save. How about you, kids? Have you experienced buying things on sale? If yes, haven't you saved money? And saving money is a big help to your family and of course to your needs. Start saving money by buying only the important things that you need, and much better if they are on sale so that you can save more. The given problem is an example of a problem on percentage. 20% is the rate, the expression with the percent symbol. 859 pesos is the percentage. It is part of a whole, part of 4,295 pesos. 4,295 pesos is the base. It is the whole or the total. Percentage at a constant rate is directly proportional with the base. Let us have another example on page 197 of your learner's material. Example 2, find the percentage in the following problems. Let me read the given to you. Number 1, 30% of 120. Number 2, 75% of 40. Number 3, 16% of 60. Let us answer number 1. The given is 30% of 120. Find the percentage in a given problem. Let us identify what are the given facts. 30% is the rate. 120 is the base. The percentage is unknown. How are we going to solve for the percentage? We should change the rate first to decimal before we apply the formula. You have learned in your previous lesson that in changing a percent to decimal, divide the given rate by 100 or simply move the percent sign 2 decimal places to the left, then change it to decimal point. Our rate is 30%. Let's move the percent sign 2 decimal places to the left. It will become 0.30, while the base is 120. And percentage is the unknown. The formula in finding the percentage is P equals R times B. P stands for percentage, R stands for rate, and B stands for base. Percentage equals rate times base. Let us substitute the given in the formula. P is equal to R times B. What is the rate in the given? The rate is 0.30. How about the base? The base is 120. 0.30 times 120. Let us multiply the rate and the base to get the percentage. The product is 36. Did you get the same answer? If your answer is 36 as well, you are correct. Hence, 30% of 120 is 36. The percentage is 36. Let us proceed to number 2. 75% of 40. Find the percentage in a given problem. First, change the given rate in decimal number. Our rate is 75%. Change it to decimal number. Divide 75 by 100 or simply move the percent sign 2 decimal places to the left. Then change the percent sign to decimal point. Our rate will become 0.75. How about the base? 40 is the base and percentage is unknown. The formula in finding the percentage is percentage equals rate times base. Let us substitute the given in the formula. P is equal to R times B. What is our rate and base in item number 2? Our rate is 0.75 and the base is 40. 0.75 times 40. Get the product of the rate and the base. The percentage is 30. Hence, 75% of 40 is 30. The percentage is 30. Did you get the answer? If your answer is 30, you are correct. Let's move on to item number 3. 16% of 60. Find the percentage in a given problem. First, let us change the given rate in decimal number. The given rate is 16%. Change it to decimal number. Divide 16 by 100 or simply move the percent sign 2 decimal places to the left, then change the percent sign to decimal point. So our rate is 0.16. Our base is 60 and percentage is unknown. The formula for percentage is percentage equals rate times base. Let us substitute the given in the formula. P is equal to R times B. Our rate is 0.16. Our base is 60. 0.16 times 60. Get the product of the base and the rate. The answer is 9.6. Hence, 16% of 60 is 9.6. The percentage is 9.6. Did you get the same answer? If your answer is also 9.6, you are right. We may also use Tetcham's triangle, which is a strategy to remember the formula in solving problems involving percent. The percentage is on top, meaning percentage is equal to rate times base, or P is equal to R times B. Rate is percentage divided by base multiplied by 100, or R is equal to P over B times 100. And base is percentage divided by rate, or B is equal to P over R. Tetcham's triangle can help us remember easily the formula in solving problems involving percent. Remember, kids, to always change the rate to decimal form before computing. Also, rate and base may be interchanged, but percentage will always be on top of the triangle. This time, I want you to open your learner's material on page 199. Let us use the Tetcham's triangle in solving the given problem. Number 1, 20% of 75. Number 2, 50% of 500 is N. Let us answer number 1, 20% of 75. What are the given? R is equal to 20%, B is equal to 75, P is equal to the unknown. We should change the rate first to decimal before we apply the formula. R is 20%, or moving two decimal places to the left will become 0.20. Base is 75 and P is unknown. Using the Tetcham's triangle, we will just plug in the values inside the triangle. P is N, R is 20%, and B is 75. The formula in finding the percentage is percentage equals rate times base. Let us substitute the given in the formula. P is equal to R times B. Our rate is 0.20. Our base is 75. 0.20 times 75. Get the product of rate and the base. The product is 15. Hence, 20% of 75 is 15. Therefore, the percentage is 15. Let us answer item number 2. 50% of 150 is N. The given are R is equal to 50%, B is equal to 150, and P is the unknown. Let us change the rate first to decimal before we apply the formula. Our rate is 50%. Move the percent sign 2 decimal places to the left. It will become 0.50. Our base is 150 and percentage is unknown. Using the Tetcham's triangle, we will just plug or substitute the values inside the triangle. P is N, R is 50%, B is 150. The formula in finding the percentage is equal to rate times base. Let us substitute the given in the formula. P is equal to R times B. Our rate is 0.50. The base is 150. 0.50 times 150. Get the product of rate and the base. The rate is 75. Hence, 50% of 150 is 75. Therefore, the percentage is 75. Remember that in solving percentage in a given problem, first is to change the rate to decimal before we apply the formula. Second, apply the formula. Percentage equals rate times base. Kids, I want you to open your learner's material on page 204. Evaluate A. Answer item 1 to 5 only. Let me read to you the instruction and the given. Identify the base, rate, and percentage. Then find the value of unknown. Number 1, 10% of 250 is N. Number 2, 5% of 100 is N. Number 3, 30% of 3,000. Number 4, 20% of 1,000 is N. Number 5, 50% of 500 is N. Well, that's it for now. I hope you learned a lot today. Special thanks to Ma'am Eunice I. Arsenas for the PowerPoint presentation and the script. This is Teacher Carmela M. Santos, your Mathematics 5 teacher. Until next time!